Hi, I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn. Today, I got a package from Linda's Fiery Treats. This beautiful box of peppers. They're not marked right now because she was busy cleaning up after those hurricanes she got hit by and getting everything situated. I want to say thank you to Linda McAnew and Clayton Hollandworth for helping her. So today, I do believe I have this is a jigsaw, a chocolate. I may be wrong. If it isn't, please let me know in the comment box. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful pepper. And I'm going to eat it, just like all the others. But I want to say thank you to Linda from Linda's Fiery Treats. You do an awesome job. Good luck with your surgery. And get well. All right, I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn. Go on the floral side. The heat is a little bit on my tongue. Right now I'm coming at maybe like a 2. But it's a pretty tasty pepper. Very, very fresh. As always. But it feels like it's grown a little bit. It's mainly on my tongue. Still around a 2, creeping up on a 3, but if you can, get an order of peppers. I do recommend them. Linda's always one of my go-to for peppers. She also has other delicious products, such as the Primatali brownie or Reaper brownie. Her hot sauces it's all good. So Linda's Fiery Treat will be in the description. Pick up a box or some brownies. I'm a brownie guy. I love her brownies. I need to get some more. So get some from Linda's Fiery Treats and have a good day. I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn.